Good morning. Room service, Liza speaking. How may I help you?
Good morning. I would like to order a meal for breakfast.
Oh, sure. Can I get your name and your room number, ma'am?
I am Gemma Rivera and my room number is 303.
Thank you very much, Miss Rivera. Can I get your order, ma'am?
I would like to have fresh pineapple, 3 pieces pancake with butter, 2 slices of bread with egg, and a pot of cold coffee.
For your bread, ma'am, would you like it white bread, wheat bread, or milk bread?
I want the white bread.
By the way, Miss Rivera, would you like to try our Americano espresso drink that is preferred by the best coffee artists of Southeast Asia?
Oh wow, yes. Let me try it, so instead of brewed coffee, give me a pot of Americano coffee.
For your Americano, ma'am, would you like it creamy, more sugar, or less sugar?
I prefer it less sugar.
So I would like to repeat your order for fresh pineapple juice, 3 pieces of pancake with butter, 2 slices of white bread with egg, and a pot of Americano coffee with less sugar. Did I get your order right, ma'am?
Yes, excellent.
How would you like to settle your account, ma'am? Would you like to settle it through cash credit card, or we can charge it to your guest account?
I would like to pay it through cash.
Change for how much, ma'am?
1,000 pesos.
Thank you very much, Miss Rivera. Your order will be delivered to room 303 in 15 minutes. Thank you very much and have a nice day. Good morning, room service. I am Glyza Sumayod, your room service attendant for today. Can I come in?
Yeah, sure.
Where would like me to put your breakfast, ma'am?
You can put it on the table.
Would you like me to put your water for you, ma'am?
Yes.
Excuse me, ma'am. This is your 3 pieces pancake butter, and this is your 2 pieces white bread with egg, and fresh pineapple juice, and your Americano coffee.
Thank you.
Thank you. Excuse me, ma'am. This is your change and receipt. Can I have your signature, please?
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.